So I kind of wonder, you know. Create a room.
What is going on, YouTube?
Create a room. Create a room by inviting others to broadcast.
What kind of boy? You feel it like it ain't nothing.
All right.
That's a toy right here, huh?
Huh?
That's a toy right here, huh?
No, that's Alicia. Ain't no Talia. Well, hey, what's up, y'all? Domino here. Okay. She went to school with us, bro.
I know.
Yeah, but we'll talk about her another time. You know, not while I'm recording. You know.
Yeah. Oh, that's
Yeah, that's Talia. So we'll talk about that another time. Yep. So you watching that with? All right. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here. Tarantula. I got that album. Ghetto Fabulous and all that. You know. I want to get Nala to join us. Let me see. You have no requests.
Okay, request what here?
Well, not yet. We're telling your followers that you've started a live video. Hang on, we're telling more followers to join your live.
No shit.
No shit is correct.
Live, it ain't me. If it ain't live, it ain't me.
Ha! You know,
that's on 7 score.
It's a shame for me to say this on national TV. What I'm about to say.
What?
Because it's possible Mr. Go and Spice one gonna watch this, cause this is going on YouTube, you know. Yeah, so it's possible they're gonna watch this, you know, because guess what, dude? When I first heard of Mystical, I thought it was Spice One at first, you know. Oh, who you texting, Dwayne? All right, so this should got that music in the background, ladies and gentlemen. But I block it out when I don't own this music, y'all. You know.
Long dick. Now.
Yep. Yep. So. I love my best friend next door, you know. Shamika, you know. She's like a sister to me, bro. But anything else I'm gonna talk about, we gonna leave that off the show, you know, because I don't want nobody to see, especially you know who. But I'm not gonna mention that sucker name, y'all. Especially on TV. All right. So, I sure would love to do a radio show, bro. Again, instead of doing it on tape, you know. You remember I used to do radio shows on tape, like I had a radio station. Oh yeah, the Dominoes 7 Studio has been in business since 2001. Yeah. Yep. So anyway, the Dominoes 7 Studio has been in business since 2001, but Hurricane Katrina destroyed Dominoes 7 Studios.
Thanks for being patient.
And so Randy Studios is back in business, right? All right. I showed y'all that flag already behind me, you know. All right. So that's it for now, y'all. I'll talk to y'all whenever, okay? All right, bye-bye.